Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Ilham Maulana, 4th semester Faculty of Education student. I will present material about weather and season. Course lecture Mr. Haris Hamdani, Bachelor of Education and Master of Education. Material of presentation: Weather and Season, English slang for 5th grade of elementary school. In content, number 1, what is weather? Number 2, weather elements. Number 3, climate weather. Number 4, temperature. Number 5, what is season? Number 6, season element. Number 7, climate season. Number 8, cause of the season. And number 9, conclusion. What is weather? Weather is the state of the air in a certain time, place, and usually occurs in a short time. In countries around the world have various weather, perhaps not the same as one country and another. Weather is the state of air in the atmosphere that occurs at certain times and place and is also erratic and changing. Weather essentially refers more to the temporary condition of the atmosphere, where this layer of air then surrounds the earth. Here are the weather elements. Number 1, sunlight. Number 2, temperature. Number 3, wind. Number 4, air pressure. Number 5, cloud. Climate weather. Here are 2 climates in Indonesia. Number 1, dry climate. The dry season is the season in the tropics that is affected by the monsoon system. A certain period of time is called the dry season if the rainfall per month is below 60 mm per month or 20 mm per day for 3 consecutive days. Sometimes certain regions can experience a long dry season characteristic by very hot temperatures for a long period of time, causing drought. Then it changes with the rainy season, which is preceded by a transition period of cold, the transition of our transition season. Number 2, rainy climate. The rainy season is a season that occurs due to increased rainfall that occurs in a region. The rainy season occurs after the dry season is over. Even the rainy season in the tropics is greatly influenced by the apparent movement of the sun. In Indonesia, very high rainfall, continuous rainfall can cause floods and landslides. The characteristics of the rainy season are increased rainfall within a certain period of time with a fixed pattern, stronger wind, often cloudy weather, and depression. What is temperature? Temperature is a quantitative measure of temperature, hot and cold, measured with a thermometer. Temperature can also be interpreted as the state or hot or cold air. According to physics, temperature is a measure of the speed of motion of particles in an object or a measure of the average kinetic energy of an object particle. Temperature is often also interpreted as a measure that expresses the degree of heat or cold of an object. The device used to measure the magnitude of the temperature on objects is a thermometer. What is season? Season is an event that occurs every year and can be predicted the length of time the season lasts. Indonesia only has two seasons, namely the rainy and dry season. Countries around the world also have different seasons. Seasons are one of the events on Earth based on change in the time of year that are influenced by extensive climate. The region of the Earth is divided into four seasons in 1 year, namely winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Not all regions have all four seasons. And next, here are the season elements. Number 1, dry season. Number 2, winter. Number 3, spring. Number 4, summer. Number 5, autumn. And next, climate season. Indonesia has different seasons and climates depending on its geographical area. And ada 3 faktor dari cuaca yang ada di Indonesia. Number 1, cloudy season. Cloudy weather is a type of weather that occurs in an area that has clouds that cover part of all of the sky. These clouds are usually gray in color and cover the sun's rays, making the sky appear dark and gloomy. Number 2, windy weather. Windy weather is a type of weather that occurs in an area that has wind blowing at high speed. Windy weather can be caused by difference in the air pressure, the rotation of the earth, or the presence of atmosphere disturbance, shock of storm. Number 3, clarity. Sunny weather is a clear sky condition without many clouds. When the weather is sunny, the air temperature will feel warm, so it is often used for outdoor activities. The clouds look thinner, and there is no sign of rain. Causes of the season. Number 1, apparent shift of the sun. Shift in the apparent motion of the sun can cause season in an area. The location of the sun in the southern hemisphere will be closer to the sun. Then the southern hemisphere will experience summer. And number 2, geographical location. The geographical location of an area will determine the length of the season. For example, the geographical location of the North and South poles will experience more winter. And number 3, wind patterns. Wind patterns can cause seasonal change. Not only does it cause seasonal change, but wind pattern can be used as a sign of what season will come next. Final of presentation. Conclusion. Climate and season are interrelated and influenced by geographical and time factors. Different climates in different regions, seasonal variation that we experience throughout the year. That's it, and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.